I'm at Moocha Bay, or not Moocha Bay, at Nootka Salmon Resort, and I'm in the Beaver, and I'm actually just transferring wingtip fuel, which is right here, into my belly tanks. You can maybe hear it running right now. And I'm filling up the front tank. Anyway, I got a cool day ahead of me. I'm staying right here. And this is Nootka Salmon Resort, a great spot. Unbelievable. And here's the day. And very soon I'll be running around the corner to Moocha Bay and picking up 6 people and taking them back to Seattle. I spent the night here. It's been fantastic. My room is right there with the light on. So that's the plan for the day. Just go fly around the great BC, Vancouver Island.